Hi guys, my name is Jamal and thank you guys for playing with Faster Giveaways. So today I'm just going to show you guys how to play the famous Spot the Ball game. So once you guys have pressed proceed to play, it will take you to this screen, and this is the Spot the Ball screen. On the right you have all coupons in play, in the middle you have the Spot the Ball picture, and on the left you have 5 features to aid your selections. So to enable all features in Spot the Ball, you must be using a PC. You can play Spot the Ball on mobile, but you will find you do not have any of the features. So the first feature I'm going to show you guys is the draw line feature, and that is just to draw a line from someone's eye line to help you predict where the ball is. Below that guys, we have the undo line feature. This allows you to undo the last line you've just drawn onto the page. The third feature down is a show hide line feature. This allows us to show and hide all lines on screen. Let me demonstrate how. The fourth icon down is just a clear all lines feature. This removes all lines from the screen. The last feature is a coordinate checker, a unique feature that we have created here at Fast Fuel Giveaways. This allows you to check your coordinates against others. It will tell you how many others have selected coordinates within plus or minus 10 x and y points of your chosen coordinates. Please remember to deselect this feature once you have checked your coordinates, or your coordinates will not register within the system. Finally, on the right hand side we have all coupons. Here we can choose to replay a coupon if we are not happy with the coordinates we have selected. Once we've done all this, we can now press checkout, and from there you can proceed to payment. On completion of the draw, we will have a judge select where they believe the centre of the ball to be in their professional opinion. This judge will be affiliated to the sport shown in the Spot the Ball game. We will then enter the coordinates into our system. This system will sort all coordinates from closest to furthest from the point selected. The person who comes up first will win the prize. Thank you for playing with Fast Fueled Giveaways, made for people living in the fast lane.